Hello students, good morning. In this video, I would like to describe about the motion, uniform and non-uniform motion. To clear the concept about the uniform and non-uniform motion, so just I would like to prepare a map. First of all, motion, motion. Then we classify the motion into one is uniform motion, uniform motion, uniform motion, and the second is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. In uniform motion, the speed is constant. Speed is equals to constant, right? And therefore acceleration is equal to acceleration A is equal to 0. Here we use the formula V is equal to distance or displacement by time. So that the formula will be V is equals to S by T. S is for distance or displacement. Distance or displacement. Right? But in the case of non-uniform motion, the speed is variable. Speed is variable. Speed is variable, and as the speed is variable, therefore acceleration is not 0. Acceleration does not equal to 0. Since acceleration does not equal to 0, therefore we cannot apply this formula. We have to apply the three equations of motion. V is equals to u plus at. Second equation, S is equals to ut plus half at square, and third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So these formula are applicable in this situation when the motion is uniformly accelerated. Here acceleration is constant. Acceleration is constant. The acceleration may be positive or negative, but we have to apply this case. Now here we can apply the three equations of motion for non-uniform motion in the both cases, that is straight line motion. Straight line motion, suppose a body goes in first time t1 up to a to b, then in time t2 b to c, and time t3 that is up to c to d. Suppose this distance is different. This is s1, this is s2, s3. s1 does not equal to s2, does not equal to s3. So since distance travelled for time interval but t1 is equal to t2 is equal to t3. Here the time interval is the same, but displacement is not same. This is an example of non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Okay. So here motion is not uniform. Therefore, we have to find the average velocity. Average average velocity, that is suppose for AB up to AB, let the velocity V1, BC, let velocity is V2, and for distance CD velocity is V3. Then here average velocity will be calculated by V1 plus V2 plus V3 by 3. So how many times the interval we have taken, the same velocity is added and divided by the number of time the velocity is changed. Okay, but in case of the average speed is also expressed in VAB, average speed. This is average velocity, and this is average speed. VAB is equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3 by what is total time taken, T1 plus T2 plus T3, right? So this is the total S by S total by T total, right? So in this case we apply this formula to calculate the average speed and average velocity, right? Thank you.